turning our attention to the horn arrangement on the Amazon, which suffers one oversight from the design, and that is that the horn wire up to the push on the steering wheel is carrying current, whereas you don't really want that on a make and break switch like that. So I'll show you how I've put in a relay such that that then becomes just a sense current, not an activation current. And that then will make the horns much more reliable. But let's turn to the typical problem that your horn push is massively oversensitive, or indeed stuck on.